Okay, this video how to take out the front light in Pasat B7. So the problem why I need to take front light off, because I like to change the light. It's original Philips which was exploding inside the lamp. So when I took it out, it was like this. The rest of glass is inside the headlight. I tried to use vacuum cleaner, unfortunately not successful. Probably need more adjustment, but don't have time to play with it. So I need to take the light, the headlight out. So what you generally do, you rotate wheel like this, you open two screws here, 1 and 2, then you move it down a bit as much as possible, and there is a third screw here. The third screw is here on top. After you do this, you can disconnect your bumper a little bit here in front. Then you disconnect 2 or 3 screws down. They connected to the plastic cover from down. Generally you disconnect 4 bolts here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one not completely, but those I need to take completely, otherwise bumper will not go down. And then you have 4 screws for the lamp itself. The last screw is down, so you need to push this as much down as possible. See it first, then you can easily, when it's not complicated, you can use just regular screwdriver to take it out. Your hand can go here, you will grab it. Then you have 1 bolt in this hole, deep down somewhere. You have 1 somewhere here, and you have 1 on top. And of course you need to take the plastic buffer off. It has 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, then you grab it gently little above, it will go away. So now I took the, after you disconnect 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws and bolts, your light will move away. Just don't forget to disconnect this. So now I get my light, it's away. I'm gonna remove glass out of it, install a new lamp and put it back. I'm not sure about adjustment, let me see at evening how it will work. Okay, that's all I think, thanks. So here I install new lamp Osram. This amount of glass I took out from the front light. Not say it's critical, but there is a reflection surface inside, so definitely I don't want glass moving around my reflection surface when the car jumping a bit, or when you're moving up, down. This will be moving inside your lamp. So I prefer take it out. Overall it's take around 20 minutes. I'm not a mechanic. Just you need a long heat to move through this space around 20 centimeters, and you need to be gentle with this bumper. Okay, install new Osram, let's assemble it back. Okay, I'm almost done with this Passat. The problem is what I faced during assembling it back. I destroyed the screw, but somehow it was already connected. So when I was putting it on, and the second problem, you need to adjust your light. So the hole here is approximately equal to hole here, okay? And it appears that the bolt which is inside is definitely has a layering of this lamp. So at the end I should take apart the bumper second time, get access to the bolt. This time I just disconnect those 2 screws, first and second. The third one was already broken, so I couldn't take it out. So I disconnect 2, then I take some kind of flexible heat like this, and flexible heat was fitting pretty well on this bolt under the lamp. With it flexible bolt I were able to lift up a bit and then fix it, and now I have approximately same hole here and here. I'm still not sure how the light will be adjusted. We'll see at night, is it keeping the same layer or it's become like this or like that, but I don't think I can do it at home before the night come. And as I say, this was most problems that after the first attempt was like this hole was not here at all. This hole was little bigger, and assembling is most problem, not deassembling. And if it's not working well, I will go to dealer, ask dealer to, or my yeah, I think dealer has a device and they have knowledge how to adjust the light. Otherwise, I can show you one more time how many glass was there. Amount like the half of lamp. Yeah, the glass is here. Here is some milk. It's now I need to put back a bumper and rest of the screws, and I think that's all for today. And as I say, deassembling is like 20 minutes, assembling back maybe 40 minutes. Maybe because I'm not doing it often, maybe person who do it often will take much shorter time. Or if you know the secret how to adjust this line from beginning, please write comment how it can be done more easily than redoing the whole bumper things again. Thanks.